Hi everyone, it's me Jasmine, and in today's video, I will share with you on how I set up my 2021 bullet journal. Sinet up ko na siya prior to this video kasi sa blank page nakaka-intimidate talaga. Mas comfortable ako na gawin ito nang walang nakatutok na video. Kaya naman, natapos ko siya ng maayos. Gusto ko yung vintage feels and minimalist lang siya para masustain until end of the year. Ang next page ko ay ang year 2021. Surprise me ha! Page 1 of 365. And yes, that's me. Ang materials na ginamit ko ay kraft paper and my leaves illustration ng black pen and white pen, plus mga stickers. Here's the future log where I write my plans and events, mga birthday, anniversary, appointments, seminars, and so on. Nilagyan ko lang ng mini calendar on the side and washi tape for decoration. Next page is the other half of the year. Halos duplicate lang yung design natin for that. After that ay one page for personal goals. Pwede mo dyan ilagay kung ano yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve for the rest of the year. Ang ginawa kong design dito, minimalist lang din sa mga corners, and then sa lower portion naman sa middle part. For business includes your desired amount, expenses, and profit. Meron pa rin tayong other aspects in life such as family and friends na pwede mong i-monitor kung ano yung gusto mong ma-improve sa relationship mo with them. For the lower portion is to track the movies that I've watched and the books that I've read. Lastly is the 2021 year-in photos. Gusto ko kasi mag-print ng cute size photos, then dyan ko sila ididikit lahat. Let's look at the flip through of my 2021 bullet journal. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.